Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This video is a full Zoho CRM tutorial for beginners. If you're a beginner, stick around to the end as we've made all the steps a breeze so you can fully understand how you can use it. So here in Zoho, the first thing you're going to see is to sign in. If it's your first time, however, you'll need to sign up now. So you're going to click on the sign up now option down here. Now you can go ahead and put in your email and password and agree to the terms of service and policy of privacy. However, we like to make things easier, so we're going to go ahead with our alternative means, which is using Google, your LinkedIn, or your Microsoft account. We're going to go ahead with Google. So right here, you can see welcome, a new Zoho account will be created for the email address which you selected. Your first name and last name will be registered there, and some information which is important. And then you can check the box for agreeing the terms of service and privacy policies. After that's done, you can go ahead and click on create account. So basically, now we're in our Zoho account. Now, the first thing you're going to see is some of the most popular apps, such as the comprehensive CRM platform for customer-facing teams, mail for teams of all sizes, help desk software to deliver great customer support, Assist, Creator, Social, Analytics, and Books. All these apps are available to try it out. When you scroll down, you can see that there are over 55 different business applications for your business. And these tools range from sales to marketing, commerce, different services, finance, email and collaboration, to human resources. Now, these are the different options you can try out with Zoho CRM. But for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and try the comprehensive CRM platform for customer-facing teams. So we're going to go ahead and click on try now. Now, if that's too much, you can go over to the top left corner where you have products. Click in the drop down, and here you have apps, suits, Zoho One, marketplace, and you can go ahead and explore all products, which you will be seeing what we mentioned before. Now, if you're looking for something specific, you can come over here and search for what you're looking for. But in this case, we'll be going ahead with the CRM. So on this page, it says it's easy to grow, and we're going to go ahead and click on Access Zoho CRM. Now on this page, you're going to put in your company name, the phone number, employee count in order to get started. There is also this box, Load Sample Data. This is basically telling Zoho to populate some sample data to help you understand how Zoho works with samples. We're going to be showing you this in a bit after we've put in this information. So after putting this information, we're going to click on Get Started. So right now we have this page, and at the top you can see Home, Leads, Contact, Services, Projects. Now these are modules, and there are other modules. When you click on the three dots here, you can see the other modules. All these are aimed at helping you in your company's workflow. So with all these options, we're going to start with the Home option right here. Now there are some things we need to do, such as setting up your CRM. The first thing you'll need to do is invite your team, and then configure your deals pipeline, connect your email account, then migrate your existing data and the integration. Now at the top right corner, you can see some other icons and options tailored to help make your workflow better. For example, you can see the gear icon here, which is a setup icon. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this page where you can basically set up anything depending on what you want. So for example, we can take the general section. Under general, you can see personal settings, users, company settings, calendar booking, and motivator. We're going to click on personal settings. Now right here on the personal settings, you can change your profile picture, your name, and also you can make some other settings. There is a pencil icon on each of these sections to help you make changes. Then you also have show details, which is a drop-down menu of all the details you might have. Then when you scroll down to the bottom, you have different themes. When we click on the different theme color, you can see the change comes right here. One more thing we can show you is to look at signals. When you click on signals, it will bring this drop down where it says manage signals, receive real-time notifications across applications. And when you click on configure, it's going to take you to this page where you can basically set signals that will allow you to stay connected or updated on important customer communications, such as incoming mails or notifying you if emails were opened by customers. You have the button right here to create your own signal. When you click on create your own signal, you have the drop down create new signal, and you can label this. You can label this customer incoming mails, and then you can set the service, the namespace, and the signal icon as you wish. Then the trigger signal via the API or a function. After all these settings have been made, you can click on create. Now, after that's done, you can go over to leads. We're going to click on leads. And right here on the leads, you can see the different leads, the companies, the emails. You do need to take note that these are the samples that have been generated by Zoho. In your case, over time, you will have these as you add them up. In order to create a lead, all you need to do is to click on create lead at the right corner, or you can click on the drop down for more options. Now, when you click on the drop down, you can see import leads, import nodes, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, TikTok ads, synchronizations, but we're going to click on create lead. Before we do that, however, there is also the actions button. We're going to click on the drop down, and here you can see mass delete, mass update, mass convert. Now, if you click on mass delete, it's going to take you to this page. Now, the first thing is the section for the criteria. You're going to click on it, and then you can click on company. On the next field, you're going to click on the none, which is a drop down, and then you can click on contains. And then after this is done, you can put in the text that will filter the company that contains a certain information. When you do this, you can search for it. So we're going to give an example. So we have Axe, and then we're going to search. So we're going to put in Chapman. Click on search. So as you can see here, we have this company called Chapman. If there are other options for Chapman company, you're going to see them right here, and you can click on the checkbox and click on delete. And this will delete all the companies that appear here after filtering them. Now going back, you can click on create lead. So on this page, to create lead, you can see the lead owner, which is you, and then here you're going to put in the first name, the title, phone number, mobile, lead source, the industry. There are lots of other information that you can put here to create a lead. After that's done, you can click on save, or if you want to continue to create another lead, you can say save and new. It's basically going to save the current lead and give you another option to create a new lead. And at the bottom right corner, you can see create a custom form page. If we click on it, we will be taken to this page where we get to choose a template. Now you can choose from the list of different templates here, or you can choose to create a blank template. When we click on the first template, so you can have a preview of the template from the side of the template options. Now this looks better than what we had before, so you can use this one as a lead creation form. If that's good enough, you can click on save, or you can make some other edits. But we're going to click on save and name this canvas. So we gave it canvas 1, save it, and this is what our new lead form looks like. It's better, and we can go ahead and make the same additions if we want to create a lead. And then at the top right corner, you can click on save when you've added all the information you need. Now for Zoho, there are other options and modules which you can take on in order to optimize your workflow. We have contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, calls, reports, analytics, services, project, and other modules. Now, all these options are available for you to explore and see which is best according to your specific needs by your company. At the bottom here, there is also the option to create a new model if you don't find any and you want to tailor one to your needs. Now, when you've had lots of leads here, you can use the filters by checking on the boxes to streamline your search process and speed up your workflow. So this is what we can take on Zoho. We hope it's easier to use at this point and this information was helpful for you. So go ahead and use Zoho CRM to boost your productivity.